Hello. Welcome back to another tutorial with Flight Sim 205. I know that it is different seeing me as an avatar. And today, I will show you, I will explain the tips on how to get more views on YouTube. I know this might be hard to get when you had made a video that you spent a lot of time on. I have the same feeling as you guys do, annoyance and tired of it. But I have a trick for that. So, I had recently found out that YouTube relies on the watch time, not views. Which means that every single minute a viewer spends time watching your videos and YouTube earns you credit. So, watch time is important metric to promote videos on YouTube. Now, YouTube's help page states that, we use watch time as a metric in our algorithm for suggesting videos. The algorithm prioritizes videos that led to longer overall watch time or viewing sessions, rather than videos that getting more clicks. So, the tips are: Tip number 1. Connect your content. First of all, you don't have to make your videos more longer. Remember that it's total watch time, not the length of a long video. Just make sure you direct viewer to more of your contents through cards, end screens and on-screen promotion. Tip number 2. Create playlists. Add videos to your playlists, especially if they are related, because if the viewer likes what they're watching, they will most likely to stick around for more relevant content. Tip number 3. Engage your audience. Encourage people to comment on your videos and add card polls to your videos to allow them to vote. The more engaged they are, the more they feel part of the content and want to watch more. Tip number 4. Create reasons to stay. Try to tease content at the beginning of a video that you can reveal later on. Tip number 5. Create a thumbnail. Create a great thumbnail that best fits in with your video topic that will really engage and catch your audience's eyes. It is like the classic analogy, people will judge a book by its cover. But, in YouTube terms it is, people will judge a video by its thumbnail. So you should really spend time on your thumbnail. Now for the steps for doing the videos. Step number 1, do research. Now, don't just post your video onto your channel, take some time to do some research. Just ask yourself these questions. What is your channel about? Who's your target audience? Where is your target audience actually congregating outside of YouTube? Why would your audience be interested in your video content and your channel? And finally, how can you get the viewers to like, subscribe to you, and share your video? Step number 2, recon. Recon is really important. Find out what blogs, forums, groups, communities, websites, people that are really interested in your content. Step number 3, video structure and production. Make sure you have a production formula in your videos. The formula for getting viewers are: make sure you hook the viewer in the first 3 to 7 seconds of your video. Then you want to show an intro. That's optional, but it is very effective for branding. Next, you are actually going to have your main content displayed, and engage the users, and make sure you have a great outro and call to an action. A special tip: it's important to know this. Different types of channels that have target audiences will have different types of video structure and different formula. Step number 4. Upload and optimize. You can go ahead and upload that video. But, make sure it's in private. Then, you need to take your time to optimize your video's title, description, tags, and make that custom thumbnail like I said in tip number 5. Step number 5, share that video. Now you can go and set that video to public. Now if you have Google+, Reddit, Twitter, Snapchat, or any social media in your recon list, then all you need to do is get involved in those communities and share your video. Another special tip: sharing on social media. Please don't spam. We already have enough spammers in this world. Just make great quality posts with your videos embedded or linked in it. And the most important and final step is: Step number 6, engage and interact. Take time to comment back on your viewer if they do comment on your video, and like and heart their comments. Also take time to review your comments and watch time on your video in the category of analytics. I hope this video had helped you along in the journey to 1 million subscribers. Please leave a like and subscribe to me. Please suggest in the comments the tutorial that I should do next. Thank you for watching this video. You may also watch my music playlist. Thank you and always have a great day.